Okay, alkene. So as usual, the first part is IUPAC. So alkene is unsaturated because it have multiple bond, okay, double bond, and the general formula is CnH2n, similar to cycloalkene. Okay, okay.
Okay, for IUPAC name of alkene is actually similar to alkane. Okay, but the rule is upgraded because in alkene we do have functional group. Okay, the first part you need to determine the parent name. Okay, you need to select the longest carbon chain containing carbon-carbon double bond, and then the word from in we change to in. Okay, so right now we need to find longest carbon chain including carbon-carbon double bond. So we start here. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2, and then at carbon number 3, we need to include carbon-carbon double bond. So 3, 4, and then at carbon number 5, you can either go right, left, or you can go forward. So I will go forward because I need to take the longest carbon chain. Okay, daripada carbon 5 ni kita pergi forward sebab ada lagi 2 carbon. Kalau kita ambil ke kiri ataupun ke kanan, so hanya jumpa lagi 1 carbon sajalah. Okay, so that is the first rule. Find the continuous carbon chain including carbon-carbon double bond, and then we need to give number. So when you want to give number, carbon-carbon double bond functional group will take lower number, the lowest number possible for functional group. So you can start here or here. Okay, if you start here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if you start with another n here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the red one is incorrect because carbon-carbon double bond is at carbon number 4 and carbon number 5. While for the blue one, the carbon-carbon number bond is at carbon number 3 and number 4. So we need to take the lowest value for the carbon-carbon double bond. So the name, the parent name will be 3-heptene. So number 3 is the indication, location for carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, next. So as I mentioned just now, when you want to give number, we need to begin numbering at the end near to the carbon-carbon double bond because functional group need to get lowest number. The first priority is lowest number at functional group, then lowest number at substituent. Okay, so this is your longest carbon chain including carbon-carbon double bond. So there are 2 ends to give number. So try and error. So if we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so carbon-carbon double bond is at carbon number 3. So if we start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So carbon-carbon double bond is at carbon number 4. So this one is incorrect because carbon-carbon double bond need to get lower number. Okay, and then the rest will be the same. So identify the substituent. After give number, identify the substituent. So methyl. So this one is ethyl. So when you want to give name, so you need to follow alphabetical order. So we will write down substituent first and then along with the parent. So the substituent need to follow alphabetical order. So we will write down ethyl first. Okay. So 3-ethyl. Okay. 5-dimethyl. Okay, so that is the substituent. So for the parent, 3-heptene. Okay. So give IUPAC name for stereoisomeric alkene. Okay, so when you have stereoisomeric alkene, you have cis and you have trans. The rule just the same. So first find carbon-carbon double bond, longest carbon chain. So the longest carbon chain is 2 carbon. And then you need to give number. Okay, carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. So the name will be 1,2-dichloroethene. And then for this one, you only add on the word cis and then dash. Okay, same goes to this one. So the name as usual is 1,2-dichloroethene. Okay, but then this one is trans, so trans dash. That's it.